In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add graphics in Wix website, complete 2026 step-by-step tutorial. Let's jump right in. Start by going to Wix and opening the workspace for your site. From the left side of your dashboard, choose an existing site or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Then select Design Site to launch the Wix editor. This takes you into the Visual Builder where you'll add and organize your content. Once you're inside the editor, hover your mouse over the page area where you want your visuals to appear. You'll see an option to add a new section. Click Add Section to give your graphics a dedicated place on the page. For full control over layout, choose a blank section. This keeps things clean and makes positioning much easier. Now open the main Add panel. You'll find it on the left toolbar. Click Add to reveal the elements you can place on your site. In this panel, look for graphics. When you see it, click to open the full graphics library. Here's where the fun starts. You can browse several categories designed for different needs. Shapes are perfect for simple design blocks, backgrounds, or callouts. Click any shape to insert it onto your section, then resize or recolor it to match your brand. Vector art gives you scalable illustrations that stay crisp at any size. These are great for decorative accents or thematic visuals. Click to add one, then adjust its size and alignment right on the canvas. Stickers offer playful, animated, or stylized elements that add personality. Use them sparingly to draw attention to key areas of your page. Icons provide clean, consistent symbols for features, services, or navigation cues. They keep your design clear and professional. Branded lines and lines are useful for separators, underlines, and structure. They help guide the eye and improve readability. Insert a line, stretch it across your section, and fine-tune thickness and color so it complements the rest of your design. If you have your own artwork, you can also upload it. In the graphics panel, click Upload, then choose Upload from Computer. Select your image files and import them into your media library. Once uploaded, click to add them to your page and position them in the blank section you created. Common formats like PNG, JPG, and SVG work well, and transparent PNGs are especially handy for overlays. That's it. By creating a blank section, opening the Add panel, choosing graphics, and inserting the right elements or uploading your own, you can quickly build polished visuals that elevate your Wix site. Take a moment to align everything neatly, keep styles consistent, and your page will look professional in no time.